There are only very few people who achieve success in their life. There are only very few people who perform well in their sports, academics, or career. There are only very few people who achieve their fitness and health related goals by motivating them every day. Do you want to know the difference between them, the people who achieve their goals and targets, and the people who strive hard to follow their goals? Stay tuned in this video with me, Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. We are on our day 8 of the 21-day free online yoga workshop Transform 2023. If you are a beginner, please look into our previous videos from the link in the description box below. 8 is my favorite number. If you reverse 8, it shows infinity. In the same way, if we change our attitude towards our mind, then we can realize the infinite potential of our mind. So let's get started on our day 8. Mind, the infinity. If I ask you to walk on a rope which is tied between two poles, which are 1 feet above the ground, many may say yes, and few may say I will try, and few may say no, I won't. If I ask the same question, will you walk on the same rope tied against two poles if it is 10 feet above the ground? Now, many will say no, and very rarely people may say I will try or yes. Even before your physical body trying an activity, how can you say no? Because in your mind, you imagine the scenario and your mind says no based on its previous experiences and exposure, and you respond me with a no. In the same way, every scenario in your life is happening within your mind even before it happens in reality. Every achiever in the world would have first won his mind before achieving anything. Take any successful companies around the world, be it Google, Tesla, Apple, KFC, or any small scale entrepreneurs in your locality, or any people around your circle, be it your friends or family members who have achieved something in their life. To complete any simple task or to achieve any big dreams and targets, the first thing one needs to do is to understand about their mind. Our mind makes our physical body stronger. For this, I am going to explain about an experiment which was conducted in the 1950s. The researchers placed few rats in a pool of water to test how long they can survive in the water. These rats, to save their life, started swimming without giving up. But on an average, after 15 minutes, all the rats were giving up and started sinking. At this point of time, the researchers took the rats out, wiped them out, and given them some rest. And again, put them inside the water for the second round. In the second try, how long do you think the rats lasted without drowning? Maybe another 15 minutes, another 30 minutes. But the result shows that these rats were able to save themselves for up to 60 hours without drowning. So what made the difference? In the first round, the rats were sinking in just 15 minutes. In the second round, the rats were able to swim for 60 hours. So what made the difference? There's no physical change that happened within their body, but one thing happened in their mind: the hope. The rats hoped that someone will save them from drowning, which made them to swim for 60 long hours. If a ray of hope in rats can make them swim against exhaustion, then what do you think your mind can do to your physical body? So it is important to learn about the infinite potential of our human mind and to stay in a positive mindset. You are capable to achieve anything in your life. All you need is the goal to reach, proper plan to work out, and the inner fire or motivation that keeps you going. I can talk for hours. if I should talk about the infinite potential of the mind or to discuss about the testimonies or the miracles that happen just because of the strength of the mind. To conclude, you have already derived your physical goals by the starting of this workshop on day 0. I am giving you the plan that will help you to reach those goals. All you need to do is to prepare your mind and motivate yourself to reach your goals. As an activity for today, try to think back and recollect any memory, any hard struggle that you have overcome with the power of your mind. This recollecting memory will help you to motivate yourself in the present situation. I keep saying to my students, the fuel in the car is responsible for its movement. In the same way, the fuel within you, the inner fire within you is responsible for you to achieve your goals. Whatever motivation that you are receiving externally will not help you to move forward until you take the fuel inside you. So keep yourself motivated, understand about your mind and target your goals. Do subscribe to our Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post the next video on this Transform 2023 series. You can also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. Join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your health, fitness and diet related queries with the professionals directly. Share this content with your friends and family who might also get motivated by watching this video, because sharing is caring. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.